And they're on their way. Hot Gossip draws for your lead. Madame Composita is on the outside. Royal Pleasures moving up by the rail as they make their first turn. Royal Pleasures, Hot Gossip, Madame Composita on the outside. Then running by the rail is Getting Personal. Moving up on the outside, Banknet, Angelic Boys. Then running by the rail is Miss Bobon as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Madame Composita leading the field, followed by Hot Gossip in second. Down in third, watching them is Royal Pleasures, Banknet racing in fourth. Then moving up on the outside is 11A, and that's Gray Magic. Past the last 800, Madame Composita by about a length and a half. Royal Pleasures together with Gray Magic moving up on the outside as they race towards the last 600. Gray Magic now takes the lead over Royal Pleasures in second. Madame Composita fading out, moving up. Hot Gossip, Angelic Boys. Then comes Mr. Lindros is sneaking in down on the inside. Is Red Hot Water as they turn for home. Gray Magic moving up. Royal Pleasures in second. Angelic Boys with the last 200 meters more to run. Gray Magic leading the field. Royal Pleasures is still in second. Gray Magic, Royal Pleasures remains in second. With the last 50 meters, Gray Magic, Royal Pleasures, Mr. Lindros, Angelic Boys, Red Hot Water for your Pentapecta.
There